Are you seeing ads or posts about Outlier AI and wondering if it's a breakthrough opportunity to make money online or just another overhyped trap like so many others? Outlier AI presents itself as an automated data analytics platform that not only helps businesses discover hidden insights from their data, but also invites regular users to earn money by contributing to AI training projects. On the surface, it sounds like an innovative win-win. Businesses get smarter insights, and users get paid for simple digital tasks like image labeling, content evaluation, and training datasets. The platform claims that anyone with basic skills and internet access can join, with flexible hours and no upfront costs. But once you dig deeper, the situation becomes murkier. While a handful of users claim they receive small payments for completing tasks, a growing number of people online are sharing mixed experiences. Many mention that projects are rarely available. The dashboard is confusing, and customer support is either slow or non-existent. Some also report issues with payment delays and a complete lack of communication once you've submitted your work. There's also a suspicious overlap in discussions with something called Remotaks Reboot, a name that's appeared in scam warnings, leaving many confused about whether the two platforms are linked or if scammers are simply riding on the name. Another red flag is the limited transparency. There's no clear ownership, no solid proof of business partnerships, and no real social media presence or reviews from trustworthy tech communities. In a space where legitimate remote work platforms are highly transparent and user-focused, Outlier AI still feels like it's stuck somewhere between a beta project and a vague promise. So if you're thinking about signing up hoping for easy income, make sure to watch this entire video, because what looks like a futuristic side hustle might actually be wasting your time or worse.